I've bet you heard this more than 1,000 times, and it's really true. Cops have officially caught on, and saying your bike is electric is really just not gonna cut it anymore. So today I got the TST R002, and it might just be the best street legal e-bike under $1,000. Matter of fact, it's only $800. So today, come with me while we unbox it and ride it around the town.
At 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever. Never wanted fame, I wanted racks. Always wanted cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but the brakes are terrible. I fully...
Were you recording?
What? Yeah.
Are you okay, bro?
Yeah, I fully slammed the brakes.
Damn. I mean, they aren't bending yet. Are you okay, though?
My bars are bent.
Oh, my God. Are you okay, though?
Yeah, I'm fine. We are out on the TST. I literally just crashed. Just probably put the clip up right before this. But let's start in the lowest mode and then slowly work our way up. There's also an app, so I'm going to figure out how that works. I'm in mode 1 right now. Give it some throttle. 8 miles an hour. 7 or 8 miles an hour. Okay, we can pop it up into mode 2 now. Okay, mode 2. It's gonna pick it up a little bit faster. Looks like we're gonna go 15. All right, that's good. All right, let's go up one more mode into mode 3. Mode 3 is not going any faster. Let's go to mode 4. Mode 4 is moving faster now. We're going 18. And then let's pop it up into mode 5. And mode 5 is gonna go 20, it looks like. Okay. Okay, for the app, we gotta sign up. Okay, we got the Bluetooth on, so it should connect to the bike. During the whole entire ride, the app wouldn't connect, but here's how you can see it actually goes 32 miles an hour. The app right now is not connecting to my phone, so I'm just gonna try to go into a place that has a little bit more like internet, and we'll try to connect it again. Starting off, I already don't totally love this bike, only because these brakes aren't the highest quality. And if you could unlock this bike to go 32 miles an hour and you don't have that good of brakes, I mean, you're gonna loop out and it's gonna hurt. On the other side of that, the torque on this bike is really good. It's got 90 Newton meters of torque, which is like about half of a regular e-moto, which is actually really good for an e-bike. But you're able to get some good torque. Like, I was able to pop it up. Next thing is that this throttle, it's a thumb throttle, which is actually good for most street legal bikes. It's actually better than having a full twist throttle. I know a lot of people do like the full twist throttle, but the thumb throttle is really good. Your rear brake is going to be on this side, which is better. I think they set that up on purpose to have the typical e-bike or MTB bike setup, but then you can also have your brake on the other side. It is not connecting. It says that the Bluetooth is on, but it's like, keep your phone as close to the device. You can see the Bluetooth symbol right there, but trying to hold it up like literally right on top of it for like a while is not connecting. So that might be one of the problems. I know other people have been able to connect it because I really want to unlock it for the review, but right now it's not connecting. The symbol's literally right there, but it's not working. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to keep it unlocked for now. That kind of sucks. Next to your thumb throttle, we got a little display. You got plus, minus for the modes. You got a light, and then you got an emergency and a power button. I don't know what the emergency does. I think it's just for the light. And then on the opposite side, oh, we can rip this off right here. Nice ASMR. Then you get this Shimano setup for 7 speeds. I'm not exactly sure how this works. It might be just for the pedaling. We can easily disconnect the brake sensors. But we got our battery right here. I'm pretty sure it's 48 volts. On their website, it claims that it gives you 65 to 100 miles of range, which is just no bike is going 100 miles without recharging it, let alone even 60. So I'm guessing if you're only pedaling this, you can probably get around 50, but with full throttle unlocked, you're probably gonna get somewhere around like 35 to 40, which is still really good. But no, it's not gonna go 65 or up to 100 miles of range. So I'm gonna see the damage. Yeah, I got kind of scuffed up and the fender got kind of cooked. But otherwise, I mean, the bike, it's like a good size frame. When I was unboxing it, I was like, wow, this is kind of a small bike, but we got a rear shock, which is good. And suspension is actually doing pretty well, which is kind of surprising. I didn't think it was gonna be the best quality, but the front and rear, it's pretty good. I can definitely notice the front. But yeah, we have these cable brakes I don't totally love. I think we're gonna head to some jumps right now. One of the nicest parts about having a street legal electric bike is you don't have to worry about cops. There was literally just a cop back there and he didn't even care. We were just riding straight past him, and I feel like that's one of the like pros of having an e-bike over an e-moto, because they are gonna care much more. All right, let's see this. See, there's one of the bigger jumps. There's some smaller jumps over here. Go up here on the dirt. Oh yeah, this is super janky. Ugh. That wasn't bad, but that was definitely not good. I haven't mentioned this so far, but this bike is actually right around $800, which is crazy. I did not have enough speed. I had no speed. Oh. Stand up. I think I have a code. It's probably gonna be Ryzenron. I'll put it on the screen right now. But we're gonna keep going. Oscar wants to try it out, and he's probably gonna hit this jump right here. Oscar's about to go. He's much better at riding dirt than me, but we're gonna see how he can hit this jump. He's gonna go the opposite way now. That was much better. What do you think about the bike?
It's pretty good. It's really light.
Yeah, it's
I feel
pretty
like
light.
when I was over there, I was just throttling. And when like, come on, pull up.
We'll try to hit the jump one more time. Okay, we're on the grass right here. This screen I actually really like. It has your pedal assist, your miles per hour, your trip, and then your battery. But it's actually like kind of like an egg sort of style. But it's really cool. Hill climb with this. I mean, this thing is chilling. Oh yeah, we're cooking. Oh hell no. Oh no. Uh-oh. This is already a bad idea. Okay. We're able to hit it, but this thing is not good at all for it. Okay, a little hill climb with the rollers. Yeah, I wish I was on one of my better e-motos right now. The brakes are finally like locking up normally. I bedded them in a bit more, but it's good. Suspension's feeling great. I'm loving it. Well, let's try to hit a little jump on this. All right, that wasn't bad. Try to hit this jump. I'm gonna get a little extra speed. Oh. I thought it was gonna be a bigger dip on the other side. I'm not loving the brakes on it right now. I haven't looped out too long ago. Obviously the Mac Fox brakes are really good. They're hydro brakes. With these cable brakes, out of the box they look pretty good, but you need to just fine tune them a bit, and I feel like you can get upgraded brakes on this, and I feel like this is the perfect starter bike. I haven't really talked about it yet, but this bike has a 1500 watt motor. I think that's gonna be it for the TST R002. It's a really fun and probably one of the best starter bikes for only $800. And I feel like I had a really good time on it, especially with riding e-moto so much. I feel like it's just a great beginner bike. But anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
I want Rex, always want the cheddar. You could try and steal my swag, but I'ma always do it better. Never let them tell you never. I've been so locked in, I'm on the grind. I could do this forever.